Here's how to find deleted items on an Android phone. So what you have to do is to open up the settings app like this, and as you are on the main page, I want you to scroll down and find the device care. And this is the place where you can take care of your device in various different areas, but for this we want to click on the storage like this, which is going to load up and give you the update about how much storage you have left and free. But below we have the trash folder, and you can click on trash in here, and this essentially puts together all of the trash items from your whole device and puts it together into this view, or this page. And you can see I have, for example, 4 contacts which I put to the trash, as well as 1 message thread. If I, for example, deleted some photos from my gallery, then they would of course show up in there as well. And the point is that you can manage the stuff in here. You can decide that you essentially delete all of the contacts or retrieve them, whatever you want to do, but this is where you can find all of the items which are now currently deleted, but still wait for you to decide if you want to permanently remove them or bring them back. So one more tip I would have for you is that you can tap on the 3 dots in here and add this trash folder to your home screen for quick access, right? So this is what it's going to look like, and once you add it to the home screen like this, you can see that we literally have a trash folder, which, let's see, I'm going to put it on the main page, and if I'm interested in that, I can just click it like this and get to the trash. So definitely subscribe to Foxtecc for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.